this is actually a boon for kids like me. I mean, I just hate going to tuitions. Even this year I didn't want to go opt for tuitions, but my mom actually, she supported me. Like, she used to sit down with me and we both used to study in Merit Nation.
So how do you think it compares with the tuition? And in what ways does it score points over a tuition?
Exactly. So nowadays the truth is, group tuitions, they're social gatherings. Like, I don't prefer group tuitions. In group tuitions you go, there's everything rather than studying. Everything. Like, you meet your friends half an hour before you just go to tuition, just stand out there, you'll be like, acha bata ye hua, you gossip, and half an hour later you come back home, like you roam around with your friends. So like, it's zero. I don't like group tuitions. When it comes to individual tuitions, what I have faced is like, no matter how many tuition, like we pay our tuition person like 10,000 or 15,000 per month.
Per subject?
Exactly, per month, per
Per
subject.
okay.
So it's like 450 per a class, and it's like 5 days or 6 days a week, 1 hour. So no matter how much he studied, like I score very well in my tuition. Like, if he takes tests, it's like 10 on 10 or 9.5, and I worked it down. But the problem is, I don't put my mind after that. 1 hour, I'm done with him. I'm done with that subject. I'm not going to study after he goes. But that's when I go to my school and the test aate hain, the exams to that chapter, I go blank because I haven't studied on that chapter. I haven't put my time. I haven't solved my problems. Tuition, where you just want to, just rush up all the things and just want to finish and you just want to go and play out, or you just don't want to stay at one posture for an hour. So you just rush up in tuition. But the thing is, I have realized it with Merit Nation that self-study is the key to success. Like, no matter how much you study in your tuitions, no matter how many hours you put in your tuition, till the time you don't put your own time, or you just don't sit with your books alone, not even with your mom alone, you don't get there. You don't get the whole thing in your veins. Like, it's just up there, but you don't get it in your mind.
So
Merit Nation
really
helps
understand
to
topics.
understand the topics alone, and it's best advice. You just sit alone in a room, don't let anyone come in, just go through those videos again and again. Because no matter what, अगर आप खुद वो चीज़ खुद करते हो, that's totally different from what you have been fed. Like, spoon feeding is different, and if you make your food and you eat it, that's different. So I study.
So that self-study bit
That
is
self-study,
what
it is what keeps me up and is what has kept me going